tayo, no? Endurance challenge lang, maraming repetitions para ma-burn yung biceps natin using your pair of dumbbell. Okay, tara, kunin niyo yung dumbbells niyo. Game. Okay, first workout natin, ang tawag ko dito, Super 21. Without rest to guys, so 7 half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then upper half, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then full range tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next natin, alternating curls 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, hammer curls tayo. 15 din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next natin, naka-hold yung isa, then 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Lipat sa kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, giant set lang para sa biceps natin. Pagka magaan lang yung dumbbells nyo, pwede nyong gawin. Pagka maikli lang yung oras nyo, pwede nyong gawin. So yan. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for watching the video and follow for more. Bye guys.